Hi there and welcome to Ursula's Historical Recipes. I would like to quickly introduce my channel. The general idea is to present dishes from various periods of the past and to share this knowledge about how people lived and what they ate with as many people as possible. As an archaeologist, I'm deeply convinced that the past can teach us about the future too. Sometimes people ask me, but are these dishes really 100% authentic? Honestly, no. Only to a certain extent. No one can be 100% authentic in recreating those recipes, as they tend to be open questions about both the nature and the quantities of ingredients, cooking times and ways of serving. Ingredients have changed, fruits and vegetables taste different now than what they used to. Some have died out, others are unknown, have become protected species, or are simply hard to get by. I, for example, live in the southern Italian countryside and have lived before that in 7 countries on 3 continents, so I know that not everything is available everywhere. What I'm trying to do is to provide you with an approximation of historical dishes which you, wherever you live, can recreate and enjoy at home, offering options for possible substitutes while trying to transmit a grasp of the underlying principles of that cuisine, the bigger picture, so to say. This is how it could have been, because this is what people in the past did too in order to get by, improvise with what was available and making the best of it. My point is, you don't need a kettle over an open fire, you don't need to locate the source of dormice, and if you don't like to use fish sauce, use soy sauce instead. In summary, this is a hands-on, please try this at home channel rather than a curiosity cabinet of ancient oddities. Get ready, get cooking. I hope you enjoy my video.